What's up, guys? And we are in the Nemo Story preview. My mom and my dad and my brother was arguing, and I am a Filipino. Okay, and so we're gonna open this Lego set. This one and this one. Oh, let's build this one. Do you know what number he is? Comment it! 1, 2, 3. You're right! It is number 3. They are arguing. And mommy not saying bad words like D-O-D-O. Okay, we're just gonna... Okay, okay. You see that part? And you see that part? They need to be connected. Look at connected. Check. And if you can see that part, you have a clear eyes. And you need to be, and they need to be connected. Meow. This was too hot. Okay. This one. They need. It's done. And it is almost 9. It is. Let me see. I think it is 9:11. Okay, guys. It is 9:11. Right now, in the Philippines. Okay. That is my dog. Yeah. That is just my dog. Don't mind him. Okay. Look at that. Papa said he need to get out because I am vlogging. Okay. You see this? You see that? You see? Oh, you can see the hole. So I'm about to show you. You see that hole? You need to be connected. Oh, like that. And this was the head. He said that why he why he don't have a nose and doesn't have a mouth. He is wearing a mask. Okay, guys. This one. You see that? And you see that? Look at this. Yeah. Oh. We just need to be connected. Look, my brother says, "Dad, can I have your phone?" Yeah, he's trying to borrow it. Look at this. It has. Look at this. Let's see if we can do this as a ring. Oh, it looks like a ring. Oh, this looks like a ring. Bruh, look at that. Oh, this is gasoline. And look. Yeah. Look at that, bro. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. This was too nice. Okay. And the next thing we were about to build is this one. This girl. Okay. Just gonna open it. We are just gonna open it. Okay, let's just build it right now, bro. Are you serious right now, bro? Shoot. Yeah. Okay, guys. Just run. That's it. Okay. This was easy. That was easy, bruh. That was easy. What? Okay. We just we just need some new parts like this. Oh, sorry. You want to see that eye again? He's playing RP, like rollerblade, like that. Don't mind him, or else I'm gonna do that eye again. Yeah. Dayang mega sa akin. Wait a minute! Do you know that I have a camera in your house? I know your mom is. I know your mom is. Girl. I know your mom is a girl. Am I right? I'm right. Because I have camera in your house. It has camera in your house. Okay. Pag nag-iba ng yelo. Nag-iba ng yelo. I have camera.
Sabi ko itapon na to.
Sorry. Are you serious right now, bro? This was too hard. This was harder than I thought. This was harder than I thought. It is almost done. No.
Ay, nasa yung ano dahil? Dala ko.
Guys,
Hindi mo dinala?
this is almost done. I had to sleep, so see you on part 2. Bye-bye.
Dala akong gulay.